So I'm here at the NAB trade show in Las Vegas and at the DJI booth, and I actually wanted to make this quick video because I have the DJI Mic Minis and I've been using them for a couple of weeks now on a lot of different projects. But mainly I wanted to focus on a couple things. So it comes in this case right here. It's very small, especially compared to the DJI Mic 2 case, very lightweight, and you have your microphone, which is super small. It is so small. It's got the clip on it and the magnet so you can attach it through your shirt, which is how I'm wearing it right now. They also have the receiver part, which you can plug into your camera. It's really easy to use. You have a gain dial on it, and also comes with this attachment to USB-C, so you can pop this thing on and it snaps into place really easily, and you can connect it to your phone. So you can do your phone, your computer, your tablet, or whatever, any device like that. It does have 2 impressive noise cancellation levels, and the charging case can give you up to 48 hours of battery life. And on the buttons, you can actually press to start and stop recording, which makes it easier if you're further away. Huge advantage of these is that you can hook them up to your Pocket 3, which is how I'm using it right now, or your Osmo Action 4 or 5 Pro, or even the new Osmo Mobile 7P. But it's actually amazing, this tiny little thing. It has a range up to 400 meters or like a quarter of a mile. Another cool thing is that the wind muffs actually fit in the case as well. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be that way, but it works, and that's a huge thing for me. Now, it doesn't have 32-bit float internal recording like the DJI Mic 2s, but I mean, look at the difference in size. It looks so much smaller there than having a big microphone like that, and it sounds so good, and it's so easy, especially just right there connected 1 or 2 microphones to your Pocket 3, DJI Action cameras, or even the Osmo Mobile 7P. For the whole 2 mic package, it's around $170 US, or the 1 mic, 1 receiver is around $90 US, or you can just get the mic themselves or 2 mics for those DJI cameras, and that is just priced around $60 US each. So if you're looking for reliable and easy to use wireless microphones that sound this good, check them out.
Mr. Black.